You're tracking finances with QuickBooks, but communicating with Slack. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when a new QuickBooks invoice is created, instantly notify your team through Slack. That's. Or every time you add a customer in QuickBooks, alert your sales channel in Slack. Or even, when Slack webhooks trigger from your team, create corresponding bills in QuickBooks. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between QuickBooks and Slack, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.